Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on VIVO Y19s. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in wally.ai. Then click search and click install. Now click open and click on this button to skip introduction and then click not now. Then click open permissions and click on AI assistant. Now click here to allow this app to display over other apps and then you can go back. And now you can go back again and then click start, and as you can see right here there is my ChatGPT widget and I can open him and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.